Morning guys, this is gonna be my first cold start video. This is my Transporter T3 1.7 diesel and it's freezing cold, and let's try if she starts under -10. So this is what she looks like first thing in the morning, and I just want to prove it. These look at the state of it. It's solid frozen, and I know it's a little bit dark because it's Sunday morning and it's very, very early. So just kick it out of gear. There is a choke in here. I'm sorry, it's a little bit dark. I'm not prepared for this very well. Hang on. Okay. So I have glow plugs on. And this is, I ain't gonna edit it. This is gonna be just full on, just to see how long does it take to warm the glow plugs up. I mean, I'm freezing. I got thermos on and everything. And if you can see, it's not very pleasant this morning. Glow plugs is still on. This is out of gear. It's bloody freezing. So this is the camper van project I'm supposed to doing, and I've been waiting for. Oh, here we go. This is going out now. Let's see. Here we go. It runs a bit rough. Let's just give it a bit of a rev. Oh, she runs a bit lumpy. So this is how you start a 35-year-old Transporter T3. This is how easy it starts. And I just want to show you this one because I'm always been surprised. All my other modern diesels, when it goes under to -10, they're like and they start. But this one, it's on the button. All technology is better than new crap. If you enjoyed this short video and this cold start, please let me know in a comment. And I see you at the next time. Hit like, subscribe. See you next time. Ta-da!